Yes, hello guys. Today I'm going to teach remarks, or how to get remarks in Excel. This is the Excel table sheet, page 2. If you want to get the Excel, if you want to get the remarks, you need to consider the columns and the rows. Let us enter the data within column A from row 1, just like this: 60, 90, 70, 45, etc. So if you want to get the remarks, you first observe the numbers that you have or the values, then you have to get the remarks on this side within column B if it is column A. So the function that allow you to get, or that prompt you to acquire the remarks, you use if. Take an example of that. We say equal sign, then if, then open the bracket, capture the column, and that is the first column that has the values, then the row, then the two remains constant, and this is what you're supposed to do. This is what you're supposed to do. Now say A1. A is a column, 1 is a row. A1 greater than or equal to 80, and comma, that will define distinction, right, comma, then again open another if A1 that remains still column A1 greater than or equal to, for example, 70, comma, so 70, a student is supposed to get this credit from 70 to 50 to 60, that is a credit. Close the quotes, comma, then open another if, then say A1 greater than or equal to 40, comma, and then you define path. Whoever gets B, from 50 downwards, you get pass. 59, so comma, then the rest should get fail. Close the quotes. Now you need to close if 1, if 2, then if 3. This is what you're supposed to do. You close need to have 3, then press enter to get the remark. Press enter to get the remark. However, from 60 to 50, these people should not get pass. First correct your formula. So you put it's 50, right? 50. Then press enter. Still is not okay. Go correct the formula from 70 credit. You will have again another if, then open if A1 greater than or equal to 60, comma, and those should get credit. Define also credit. Define credit. Close the quotes, comma. Then you need to close that if. Just like that, then press enter. Find that the one with 60 will get a credit. 90 has to get a distinction. So use cell lock here to highlight the rest of the text. Just like that. Smart. 45 failed. It is not supposed to be failed. So meaning that you undo, then correct the error. Come here, say to 40. 40, press enter. Right? Then highlight the rest. So 40 will get a pass. Let us enter 50. Come here, click, that is a pass. Let us enter 55, that is pass. Let us enter 60, that is credit. Let us enter 100, that is distinction. Thank you guys, I'll meet next time.